Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, I'm going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk about major talking points and features of the interior and interior. I'll also go around, take a seat inside the vehicle and go a bit more in depth on the interior features. This vehicle we have here is the 320D M Sport Saloon and it is presented in the Alpine white. Alongside that we've fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. Alongside that we've had the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels fully refurbished in the bi-colour jet black, as you can see there, and of course being fully refurbished they are all unmarked and look very nice indeed set against the Alpine white. They also come with the premium mixed run flat tyres. So at the front of this vehicle you'll see it is a 2016 16 plate and does come with the LED headlamp option. Down the side of the vehicle you may have already noticed, sitting behind those 19-inch alloy wheels, we've got the M Sport Plus brake option on this car, both front and rear, along with the sun protection glazing option on the rear windows, along with a few other nice options which we'll get to shortly. Another feature is the satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals, and in very nice colour contrast we have the coral red Dakota leather, which in the front of this vehicle does come with the electric lumbar option, as you can see there. And we've also got one of the standout options, which is the superb Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, which really does give a very nice ambience and interior experience altogether. You've also got the satin aluminum and high gloss black interior trims, and we'll of course have a look at the rear seats, which for the 3 Series Saloon you've got a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest and the darkened M Sport headlining, which as you can see there, all of the interior is in fantastic condition, much like the rest of the vehicle. Again, just showing you off those fantastic fully refurbished alloy wheels alongside the M Sport Plus brake option. So towards the rear of the vehicle we've got the duo of the satin rear diffuser and the satin rear boot spoiler. I'll open up the boot to allow you to have a look at the luggage capacity, which again is a very large ample space. And of course we've also got the genuine floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle. Everything nice and neat and tidy in there, and there is also storage to the left and right hand sides. Moving around onto the driver's side of the car, again you'll see just how nicely presented this vehicle really is. And again I can show you off how well the two colours do work. And I'm going to go ahead now, I'll take a seat inside the vehicle, because just as special on the outside, this vehicle is a very special one inside. We've also got the power folding mirror function, as you can see there. That can be controlled using that little button on the window switch panel, or of course using the lock button on the key fob. So now we're sat inside the vehicle, I'll show you around a couple of the features of the BMW business navigation and media screen. Starting of course with the navigation function, which is a very user-friendly system. Unlike some other manufacturers, BMW make everything as nice and user-friendly as possible. Heading over to the Bluetooth menu, which is obviously where you'll pair your devices for not only Bluetooth telephone but as well as Bluetooth audio. The vehicle also has the DAB as well as multimedia functions, including AUX, USB, and of course I've already mentioned the Bluetooth audio function. I'll start the car up. So I did mention, of course, it is the 320D, so that's the 2-litre diesel engine. We've also got this superb 6-speed manual in this car, situated very nicely on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. You have the cruise control and the speed limiter functions over here, and on the other side we've got the voice and volume controls along with the mode select switch as well. The vehicle itself has covered just over 85,000 miles. However, everything feels, looks and sounds exactly as if it had done half of that mileage. Sitting on the indicator stalk just over here is a button for the high beam assist. So this is to activate it, and what this will do is when it is activated along in conjunction with the automatic light switch, this will toggle the low to high beam for you, and it can also see oncoming vehicles before you can in darker conditions, meaning it's another less thing to worry about whilst driving in those darker conditions. Generally ideal for when you're on those darker country lanes, and a very useful function indeed. Going down and quickly just checking out the vehicle service status and service requirements. Everything is in green on this vehicle, and as you can see it's not due a service for 9,000 miles and does have some BMW service history, as you can see on screen now, right the way up to 57,000 miles. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. Well, we'll of course always be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You will always of course find all of the relevant contact information and links to our website in the description, where you can check out this vehicle in full and in more detail on our website. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Most of all though, we do hope to see you very, very soon here at your next car. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.